Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So I got a challenge recently to help one of my family members organize their pantry, and also their kitchen cupboards. Now the pantry is a semi-pantry. It's just like a long closet within the kitchen area, so everything is in one spot. So like I said before, I was given the challenge to the task of organizing and putting everything in order and organizing the kitchen cupboards. So let's see how I do it. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to show you what it looks like now, and then you'll see me like unpacking the cupboards, cleaning them down, and then start to pack. I bought some different baskets to help me organize this stuff better. So you see what I bought and how I pack everything and put them back in order. So these are the containers that I got at my store, the brown ones. I really wanted to get some white ones, totally white ones that I got last time for my project at home. All they have was the brown ones. These are deep and they're sturdy. This probably got all the bulky stuff. And the other white clear containers, these has a lid, and they cost $3.25. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I think they'll come in quite handy. But I think I'll have to go to another store to get more stuff. The really ones that I really wanted, the white ones, but I have to go to a further store to get those. So as you can see here, this is my first project. I'm going to tackle this first. This is more like a pantry area, right in the kitchen section, but it's not really fully utilized. And I think if things are more organized and sorted in the baskets that I bought, it could hold more stuff. And I'm happy I could just estimate right away that the baskets that I bought, the brown ones, could fit snugly in on these shelves. So I'm going to clear them out, wipe down the shelves, and pack the bins, and yeah, have this looking more presentable. What I would need to do too, like there are some other items in another shelf, another cupboard, that are not opened, so I'll sort out those ones that are being used and not used, and put them, the unused ones, put them in the pantry area. This section here, as you can see, a whole bunch of cups for kids and stuff that are not being used. So right away I'm going to use one of those bins to put these in and keep them organized. This section here is like a corner cupboard, and it's deep and it's like crazy. It seems like everyday stuff are being used here, but as it's deep, you can't really see what's to the back and to the top shelf. You can barely reach those items. So that's a good shelf to put items that you're not using on a regular basis. I don't know, probably might leave it empty for temporary. I went to another store and I got some really nice baskets. I found a variety of colors and different sizes, and the price is really good. So I got this size basket. I bought 4 of them, and the price is $2.25. Quite nice, quite good price, and I like the color and the size. They had like green and red. I don't really want those other colors. I just prefer to buy the white. These here are for $2.25. I only bought 2 of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I am sure I'm going to find something to do with it. These are some stackable baskets. I bought 4 of them. Each is $4.95. I really like the idea that I can stack them and have things more compact and in order. So I'm excited to try to use these baskets, stackable baskets. Okay, in this cupboard here I call like a pantry area, right? This whole cabinet. As you can see, I'm done. I have in the corner here, I use the those containers that have the covers. I packed all the snacks in them, and what I like about them, as they have covers, I was able to pack 2 containers, one on top of the other here. And I use another container like that here. I have some containers, some packages that were opened, so I just packed them nicely and packed them in this one of these containers here and put them in the corner. As you can see in the back there, I have these cereal boxes that you can see easily from a distance, and I found some containers in another drawer that I put a pack of cereal that was opened, so I just put the cereal in those containers there. And we have some oatmeal to the back. You can easily see items to the back because they're big and they're tall. This is the second shelf. As you can see here, I used the brown baskets that I purchased. I put some Ziploc bags, foil paper and stuff in this basket, paper plates, plastic plates, some plastic forks and everything. To the back there I have like some soda and juices, the big bottles. I put them to the back so at least you can see them from a distance. And I found a whole bunch of these here, some supplements, so I just put that in another basket and put it in the center there. A nice little space here. And another basket I have here, some milk, some children juices, and it fit nicely in this basket. These baskets are quite sturdy. I like what I like about these baskets, that you could just easily pull them out if you have to clean the shelves. Easily pull them out, wipe down your shelves, and just slide back in the baskets. In this last shelf, as you can see to the right, I utilize these stackable baskets to the corner on your right hand side there. It easily fits like cans and stuff, so that came in real handy. To the extreme back, I have some paper towel, and again I put all the big items to the back so you can easily see them. And to the right here, another one of those brown baskets. I had some items that are not being used or still unopened, so I put those items in this basket here so you can see them easily and know what you have and need to replenish and stuff. So these are some of the baskets that I used up here. This first one to the front here, I put all the bottles that I found in a shelf, a top shelf. I took them out and put them in one area here, right? This is how I used one of these baskets. And this bowl, I found this bowl, so I just found it just convenient. I just threw all of the children's bottles and stuff. The kids are big enough, they're not using any baby bottles anymore. So I just put them in this container here until later on. And of course, we have to deal with our plastic containers. I started to sort them out, look for ones that have lids and everything, and so far these are all the ones that I found that have lids on them, so I was able to put them in this basket and keep them sorted out. These here are some containers, covers that I can't seem to find corresponding containers and lids for, so eventually I may just have to throw them out, because it makes no sense having a container and lids and they're not matching. Basically just throw them out. Okay, this cupboard here is just basically next to the stove. It's above the countertop, right? And I really wanted to do more things with it in respect to putting more baskets and stuff, but because of the height and the size of the baskets that I had, I wasn't able to do much. I was hoping to use the stackable baskets like on top on this top shelf here, but it fit, but to access the items was a problem, so I decided not to use those baskets there. I just used this basket here, and I put like tea bags and coffee and Milo and stuff inside this basket. And basically this is the last of this type of basket that I had, so I just packed these other items nicely, and that was it. Like I said before, I couldn't do much with putting baskets up there because accessibility was a bit, I'm short, and I found it easier just to have them loose like this, and it looks pretty nice, even though really organized, and you know, you can see what you need to get easily. So that's it for this shelf, for this cupboard. This is a corner cabinet, and it's a deep cabinet, right? And to get stuff to the back was a problem, so it's not an easy yeah. So what I did was, as you can see here, I have these stackable baskets, 2 of them, and I just pack like spices and salt and things like that I use every day, and I pack them here. And to me, it's very easy accessible like that. You know, I just have the basket more to the front of the shelf, and I just pack those items that I use every day in this area here. Okay, in this shelf here, this is basically above the sink, and I put the basket that where I found all the bottles and stuff. It looks so much more organized. So if you want to get like a bottle, those plastic bottles, just pull out the basket, take what you want and put back in the basket. And the basket with the baby bottles and stuff is just neatly stored to the side. Really nice. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. I really enjoy doing this project, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.